let's learn how you can change your Viber dating preferences. So let us start by opening our application. Now you will have to click on profile and then click on edit profile button. Now here you want to open this interested in option, and you can select in which gender you are interested in connecting and contacting. So I set as man just for example, but if you want to date only women if you're a man, or you want to date men if you're a woman, just select one of these options. You can select multiple if you want, and just click on this check icon. Now you can go back and click on discover and click change filters. You can also do this in top right corner with these lines, and you can set up filters. For example, distance between you and other people, and age of people you want to date. For example, if you want to date younger people, you want to set up to 25 years, and now application won't show people that are older, for example, than 26. Just click on apply changes and it will be saved. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.